Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a payment method on Offerup. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your preference. Now type in offerup.com in the URL box and log into your Offerup account by entering your login credentials. Once you're signed into your Offerup account, from the main home page, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile drop-down. In the expanded menu, select Account Settings. From the Account Settings page, go to the left-hand side menu and click on Payments and Deposit Methods. Now under Payment and Deposit Methods, click on Add Credit/Debit Card. Enter your name on the card number, expiry date for the card, CVV code, and your zip code. Make sure to type in all of your credentials and the information for your credit card or debit card in the text boxes. And finally, click on Save in order to add a payment method on Offerup. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.